guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today is on Saturday around 8:30. I've woken up. I want to prepare that bread toast for my kids here with eggs and milk. So I'm going to use all because we are many in the house. Yeah, so the eggs I don't buy egg nowadays. My chicken are really laying eggs, so I got them from my chickens here. So yeah, so remember to subscribe if you're new. My name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3, a Kenyan YouTuber. I does basically anything to do with my home. Yeah, so if you love content about my home, that is what I does. Yeah, you can see I've already beaten the eggs, guys, there. And I've left 2. My daughter don't love toasted bread. So she want that... I've left the 2 eggs there so that she can make some egg fry for herself. Yeah, and the others will just have the toasted bread. Me too. Nowadays, the eggs are giving me some itching allergy, so I'm not taking eggs anymore. Yes, so that is what I'm starting today in this vlog. So in this vlog today, I'm going to do my morning and our evening routine in this house over the weekend today, guys. So you can see I've started just preparing the toasted bread over there, guys. Yeah, so that is what we are going to have for our breakfast, guys. Try this recipe at home. Actually, it is the best bread I love. It's just because I don't take white bread, and for the eggs, me and eggs, we are no longer going to enjoy each other, because I had a severe allergy through eggs, guys. Yeah, so yeah, and you can see it still as milk, so the protein I think is high for me. Right now I'm not taking any protein, guys, like eggs, milk, no. So that is what I'm preparing for my kids, guys. Yeah, I thank God this morning because of a beautiful gift of life, and you guys are good health. I'm doing fine. If you are healthy, just thank God. You can see the bread looks delicious there. Like, my boys love this kind of a bread, and yeah, so I decided to make them because it's over the weekend, and yeah, it's my duty to make my family the best delicious meals, starting with our breakfast. The bread is ready there. So guys, you can see how it looks delicious. Yeah, try for your families and friends during this festive season, guys. And the tea was ready. I'd already cooked the tea over the camera, so they are just going to serve the tea. Personally, I'd already taken my breakfast. Yeah, because I take sugarless tea and some medicine in the morning. So I usually start with my breakfast so that I can have my medicines, but I'm doing fine by the grace of God. So remember to subscribe in this channel. If you are new, consider subscribing. Like the video, tell me what you think about that my morning breakfast, guys. And later in the day, it is in the evening over there, I'm just beating the curtains, guys. Yeah, so that I can do my evening routine with you guys here. So it's a morning to evening routine vlog, just a slow one in my house. Yeah, so when I'm around, I usually do a lot, you guys. Like, when the body is really fine, like fine, I usually rest my nanny, and yeah, just want to have that evening living room is clean here. So you can see the kids just dumped their jumpers over there. It is very hot, you guys. It's rain season, but there's no rains in our area, so the sun is very hot. So they have already gone to play football outside, so I'm the one who is making the living room. You can see how it looks messy. It cannot be clean since morning, but right now, after my evening tackles, you can see the living room is looking nice, ready for our night movies, night dinner. Yeah, so that is how I've done it to be clean this time round, guys. Yeah, so on the other side, I'm making I'd bought some cassava. I boiled them, and then they love the cassava when it is being deep fried with oil, like the way I'm doing there. So yeah, so today I'm just having that evening weekend vibe with my kids. Yeah, they love this cassava so much. Yeah, kwa Kiswahili inaitwa muhogo wa nini, muhogo wa kukaangwa. And then you are going to have it with the masala that you usually take with manko. That is what they loved, and I bought it. It's a season of cassava in my area where I usually live, so there's a lot. Like, I got one with only 100 shillings. I decided to prepare them, and then I got some I got some maize, and then I boiled it too. So I wanted to prepare for them this kind of boiled mahindi, maize and then you just sauce it with that tomatoes like that. Sijui waliona wapi, so they decided, told me, mom, tutengeneze ile mahindi inawekangwa kwa tomato. So I was trying it and guys, this thing slaps. It is really delicious. Try it for your kids, guys. We have a long holiday and a long season, guys. You can just spoil your kids. So I decided I wanted them to try, so I'm just going to bring now the big meal of this boiled maize. Stay tuned. Very soon I'm going to bring another delicious recipe for maize, and yes, later that is what I prepared. That is and the boiled cassava, and this is the one which has been fried, and then we have the maize over there, and then I have two boiled half of maize there. That is what we are going to have as our evening snack, guys. And later I decided to shower because I cannot sleep without showering. That is always my evening routine. Yeah, so I'm beating up my bedroom curtains and then I'm going to give myself a warm shower, guys. Yeah, so that is just a simple weekend routine. So remember to subscribe, like the video, tell me what you think about this vlog, and yes, remember to share me out if you can, and leave a positive comment so that I can just feel okay and I feel like you have really enjoyed this content. Yeah, my shower just iliungua, so I'm just going to use the bucket to shower. Till the next one, bye lovelies.